So today I'm going to show you guys how to make a cute ghost nail using Attain color in Stark, which is our beautiful bright white, as well as Attain Adhesion Gel. So I already have my overlay here, and I'm just going to go in on the finished surface. You can do this on any length of nail. You can go right in over Attain Adhesion if you want to, just as a regular gel polish manicure. You can apply this over acrylic nails, dip nails, full coverage tips, whatever you have on. Attain plays nicely with lots of different brands of product. Our color gels are intentionally thick because I didn't want them to run all over the place while you're trying to actually apply more than one nail at a time. And also, our color gels can be used for nail art. Once you have your 2 coats of color on, I'm going to take a little bit of Attain Adhesion. Using the Attain nail art brush, I'm going to pick up dollops of Attain Adhesion gel so I have a nice bead on the end of my brush. And then I'm going to place that bead on the tip of my nail and drag it upward and cure. You only need to cure a few seconds in between each bead to lock in the overall shape. Once you have your beads of Attain Adhesion cured on your nail, you're going to go back with more of your Stark in just a nice thin layer and cure. If you don't like working off a silicone mat, you can also use our glass palette. I'm going to take a couple dots of pitch and just put it on my glass palette here. Then I'm going to take my same nail art brush and I'm going to add a couple eyes to my little ghost. You can finish your nail with either Attain Matte or Attain Shine depending on the texture that you want to have. I'm going to use Attain Matte today. So I'm just going to apply a nice even coating, being sure to get as close to the cuticle and sidewalls as possible without touching. All right, then you're going to do a full cure. Once you're done fully curing, take a wipe with Attain Clean Cleanser. This is going to reveal the perfect matte finish. Let your little ghosty dry, and he's all done. If you want to play around with texture, you can also mix Attain Matte and Shine in the same manicure. To make my ghost eyes pop, I can actually put a little bit of clear gel right over his eyes while leaving the rest of his body matte white. Shine cures without a tacky layer, so you don't even have to cleanse after you finish, but you can play around with having matte and shiny textures in the same manicure.